Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu Channel. This is Shifu JC. Today we're going to present you the licensed way dragon Kung Fu style with real application, so you cannot miss out. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button because you don't want to miss the next video. Let's do step by step the tutorial for this part. Let's go. So your left hand is go this way, you go block or you go grabbing, and your right hand and go attack to the neck or the face. So that's the first part. Very important, my friend. So the intention of your movement. So with your intention, you will understand the move much more and you can learn it much quicker. That's how I teaching my live class as well. I go attack to grabbing the hand, all right? I go, So really just go grabbing the neck. The soft defense I do with Emily, so go boom right here, or you can go, so to smash the face, right? Okay, the movement sway, so go grabbing and you go this, and we are jumping by your left foot. To see my left foot, yeah, you go, attack, almost like a Superman punch, like a boom right there, right? So this one is the same, but in this one you can do multiple way. Either you go jump, boom, right, the face, right, and also your leg gotta be kicked out, just like you can trip someone. So once you go right there, and your leg go behind and go push, and you can trip someone, right? So this is the box to get up with that here. So number one, you go grabbing, and number two, to smash the throat, smash the face, and you go boom, trip, and after that, you both hand and come back, and you double, and then you try make low stance. So your knee like this, and double hand just like that. The dragon kung fu with your double hand. Thank you for watching, my friend, for the dragon kung fu style. Don't forget that the intention is very important. Apply any move, put the intention behind, so you will be learning quick. You got this right. Something like a bob or a punch by, so those things really also help your intention to improve your kung fu training. Thank you for watching. I love you all. I will see you in next video.